And the IFTA goes to... Yeah! Lohit!
Wow, we're gobsmacked, I think. I'd like to say thank you to Jane Gogan for commissioning this series and being very, very supportive throughout the whole production. To Stuart Carolyn for being an amazing writer and giving us such great stuff to work with. James Flynn for being my mentor for years and exec producing and all your support. To David Crean for all your support as well. David Caffrey, thank you. Maureen Hughes for putting an amazing cast together. I really think she's done a fantastic job. Stephen Daly, Aisling Wallace-Byrne, our costume and designer. Annalise O'Callaghan, our production manager. And I'd like to accept this in the memory of Donal Gilligan, who's not with us anymore, but I think his spirit lives on. And I'd also like to give a personal thank you to my mother and father, to my partner Liz and my son Daniel for just absolutely amazing support for the last few years. Thank you.
I'd like to thank IFTA, thank you Tracy, and thanks very much to a fantastic cast and amazing dedication and hard work from our amazing crew. Thank you very much.